Welcome back to MSR Tech Tutorial. Today we are going to see the section of solids. So this is our problem. We have taken the example of cylinder. A cylinder of base diameter 50 mm and height 65 mm rests on its base on HP. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 30 degree to HP and meets the axis at a distance of 30 mm from the base. Draw the front view, sectional top view and true shape of the section. So I have drawn already an answer. So this is our answer. So this is the sectional front view and this one is the sectional top view, and finally we need to draw the true shape of the section. So we will see how to draw this one. So take a line, the reference line, then using a circle. So what is the diameter they have given? 50 mm. So just draw the radius of 25. Then using the line from center point, just draw a vertical line like this. Then we need to split the circle into 8 equal parts. So for that, use array, select the object, enter and click polar type, then click the center point. So now it's shown only the 6, so we need to convert into 8. So click items and enter 8. It will be now divided into 8 equal parts. Then click escape. So we got a circle divided by 8 equal parts. Then click line. From here to here, just draw a projection line. Similarly for here, then here, then finally here. So we have just projected all the points. So we need to give the naming first of all. So for that, select text, we just mention here. So reference line above we have your VP and below we have HP. Then give the name here. So this is a cylinder. So in upper direction we have one circle with 8 equal parts. Then lower we have another circle with 8 equal parts. So totally 16 points should be the, give the numbering of A, B, C, D like this. So mention small letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So like that we just give the number. So similarly we need to project the points here. So this point is our A dash, here B dash, in bracket we have H dash, here we have C dash, in bracket we have G dash, here we have D dash, in bracket we have F dash, finally we have here E dash. That's all. Then we need to project these all the points to the VP. So what is the height of that cylinder? 65 mm. So line, so draw 65, here 50 and close it. That's all. Then draw another baseline. Then draw the projection of all the generators like this. That's all. So then we need to show our cutting point. So what is a cutting point? So a cutting plane is inclined 30 degree to HP. HP means VP and meets the axis at a distance 30 mm from the base. So 30 mm from the base. So total height is, click the dimension. So total linear dimension from here to here 65. So our cutting plane meets the axis at a distance of 30 mm, right? 30 mm from the base and 30-degree inclined line. So click the line from here to here, just draw a line up to 30, then click enter. Then 30 line is here. So from this point we need to draw the line at an angle of 30 degree. So 30 degree, just draw a line like this, then extend this line up to reference line. Using extend command, select boundary first of all, then enter, then select this one. We just extended our cutting plane. So what is that angle? Is 30 degree. Before that, just a line like this, then select angular, this one and this one. You can give the 30-degree incline. Then we need to give the cutting point should be here. So cutting points totally, we are getting the 8 cutting points. We just give namely 1 dash, 1 dash, here 2 dash, here 3 dash, here 4 dash, here 5 dash, and behind we have 6 dash, here 7 dash, and here 8 dash. So totally we have 8 cutting points. So we need to make a dark of the lower portion, so which we are going to show as a true shape. So click the line and from here to here just draw a line, repeat line from here to here, repeat line from here to here, then here to here, then here to here, and finally here to here. Then select the bilayer thickness, 30. Select this line, this one. Sorry, it's a cylinder, right? So you have to select only the outer portion. Make a 30 degree. That's it. The outer should be visible. Then we need to show all the cutting points to the HP to show the sectional top view. So one dash should be in A generator. So A generator should be here. So directly we are going to mention A should be a 1 point, B should be a 2, C should be a 3. So like that you just give for this sum. So using text command, so this is a 1, here 2, here 3, 4, 5, 6, here 7, and here 8. So we need to hatch it using hatch button. Click all the surfaces which we are going to show. That's all. So this is a sectional top view. That's all. So then we need to show the true shape of the section. So for that, we just draw the reference line which should be parallel to this cutting plane. So copy this line, Control C and Control V, paste it and move here. So directly we can get the parallel line of this cutting plane. So then we need to draw one line. Copy this line and again paste it. Then click this line, type rotate command, this line, type rotate command and enter. From this point make 30-degree incline. Sorry. So we need to draw the horizontal line, right? Then only it should be exactly 30-degree incline line. So by layer, draw a horizontal line like this. Then select this line using rotate command. Type 30-degree. It should be parallel. Select this line, again rotate. Select this point, make 90-degree. It should be perpendicular to this line. So copy this line and paste here. Sorry. Select it and using move command from this point to 1 dash point. So it should be like this. So you just trim this part. That's all. Then using offset command, using through option, select this line and move to 2 dash. Similarly, select this line, move to 3 dash. Then select this line, move to 4 dash. Select this line, move to 5 dash. So we are getting the perpendicular line from each cutting points. Then we need to measure from this reference line to this 1 to up to 8 points are there now. So these points we have to measure from this reference line. Then we have to mark it on from this reference line to here. So for that, you just copy this line from here to here. One point is there now. So just copy this line and paste here. Then select this line using rotate command. Select base point and rotate it 30-degree incline. So then select it, move command from this point to this point. We just measured from here to here. This point is our 1. Okay. So similarly, we need to measure a line from here to 2. So just click the line from here to 2. Just draw one line, then select the line, copy and paste here. Then select it using rotate command, convert it to 30-degree. Then select it using move command from this point to 2 dash point. So this is our 2. Okay. So similarly, we need to draw move the all the points, measure the all the points from this reference line to here and paste here. Okay. So then the third point. So third point should be from here to this third point. So select the line, copy and paste here. Then click this, rotate 30 degree. Then select it using move command from here to 3 dash. So it just shown like this. Then copy this line and paste here using move command from here to here. Both points should be same. Similarly for this point, copy and paste using move command from here to here. That's all. So we just derived 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly for 6, 7, 8 points should be there. So for this, use the point, click here. Similarly for point, click here, point here, repeat point, repeat point. So we got the point. Similarly for remaining points. So remaining points we need to draw. So here select already drawn line. So we got a line from here to here. We need to draw the line from here to here. This is 8. Similarly for 6. So we just do here 6 point. The line is here. Select this line, copy and paste here using rotate command from here. Mention 30 degree. Then select it and using move command from here to 6 point here. Okay, so then using point, just show the point here. So this is our 6th point. Similarly, we have to draw 7 and 8. So this point and 8 point should be the same. So I'm just moving the same dimension from here to here. Then using the point to the point to here. Then we have to mark the final this dimension from here to 7 dash. So copy this line, draw one line from here to here 7, and copy and paste. Paste it, select this line using rotate command, rotate it from here 30 degree. Then select it using move command from here to here. So using point, just make a point here, the end point. That's all. So then using the spline fit, we can draw the elliptical curve. So like this, just connect all the endpoints. Finally, click on close. The curve should be closed. Then finally hatch it using hatch button. So like this. Then give the numbering using the text command. Give the numbering. So this is our 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then give this is x1, this should be y1. This is the auxiliary reference line. That's all. So in this like this you need to draw a section of solids. Thank you.